All right, good morning. Today is Thursday, April 11th, and I want to show you that stock trade. Excuse me, got a little frog in my throat. Align Technologies, ALGN. This is actually has turned out to be an extremely good trade so far. Again, just to refresh your memory, we went long right in here as it took out this high right in there. I'm drawing the red horizontal line. Went long at 31, right? I told you that I took a portion of the trade off at 32.18, which was our first profit target, which was right up in here. Okay. Our second profit target was just hit today, 32.70, which was 80% of the third profit target, which was 2 times the reward to risk on the trade. Okay. So that was 33.05, looking to make what, $1.74 on the trade. 80% of that is $1.39. Add $1.39 to the entry of 31.31, right? And that gave us 32.70. So again, 32.70 wasn't quite hit yesterday because yesterday's high was 32.67. Boom, today opened up at 32.50, ran up to 32.79, folks. 32.79, not too shabby. Okay, so now the trailing stop. Okay, so I took another little portion of the position off at the 32.70 level, and the remaining portion of my position is 10 cents below yesterday's low, since today has been able to take out yesterday's high. Make sense? So if today reverses and takes out yesterday's low, we get an outside bar, an engulfing pattern, right? We've already taken out the high, right? If we reverse and take out the low, I don't want to be in this trade anymore. So we'll go right below this, the low of yesterday. So not a bad trade. We've hit 2 of the 3 profit targets. Our next level, okay, our next level we're looking at is 33.05. Let me put a cursor there. All right, there we go. 33.05 right there. That is our second, well, our third profit target. So we've hit 2 of the 3. Not a bad trade. Let's move on to a trade that I think could be really good if it actually triggers us. And this is American Express. Best credit card by far out there. By far. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now, by looking at this chart, do you notice or see what I'm seeing? Let me just ask you that question. I hope you do by now. Look at this. This is obviously a strong uptrend, right? Change from down to up right in here. Came down. I mean, beautiful. Just beautiful trade setups. Get a high here. Pull down mid to lower band. Beautiful trade to the upside, okay? But now look at this. Market gap down a few days ago. Look at this. 3 consecutive inside patterns. 1, 2, and 3. Well, let's see. These low, that low is 65.15. This low is 65.13. The high is lower, so look at this 3. That's an inside pattern, inside, and even inside. Look at how tiny that is. Yesterday's range was 20 cents only. Very small. So I'm looking to go long if the market's able to take out yesterday's high, which it has. But remember, I look for a 10-cent penetration. A 10-cent penetration. Since the high is 65.58, I'm looking at 65.68. Went up to 65.60. So it hasn't hit yet. So that is a trade I am looking at. So again, let me outline this trade for you. I'm looking to go long at, let's see, what did I say, 65.68. Initial stop loss, 65.26. Tiny, tiny, tiny risk. Risking 42 cents on this. But that'd be below yesterday's low. Now look at, in today, if the market's able to take out the low first at 65.36 and then it reverses today, back up through the high and triggers me off at 65.68, I'll still go long. So even if this market trades down, let's say it takes out a couple lows and then reverses today, back up through 65.68, honestly, that would even make this a more powerful trade than taking out the high first. So if it takes out the low, dinks around, and then starts to bottom out and it reverses back up through that high, I'd be long. So hope that helps. So again, the Align trade's looking real good, folks. Real good. We're right on the high of the day right now as we speak. 32.78. 32.78. Looking for that. Look at 32.79 trading up here. Again, we're looking at a third profit target of 33.05. We hit 33.05. I'm going to bring that stop up much higher than the trailing stop that we currently have at 31.87, okay? So again, keep an eye out on that American Express trade today. Market's been building energy, really contracting here. If we start breaking up through these highs, you definitely want to get long this market. Have a profitable day. Hope this helps. Bye for now.